Most investors think rental income is just rent minus expenses. But here's the twist: lenders don't care what you think the property earns. They only care about what they can prove on paper. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which documents matter and which ones slow down your loan. Ask yourself, if your rental income isn't documented correctly, how many days or deals are you losing? Let's get straight to it. Lenders underwrite rental income with one question: can this property reliably pay for itself? Your job is to give them clean proof. Not stories. Not screenshots. Proof. Let me show you why this matters. An investor I worked with submitted a deal with strong cash flow, long-term tenant, high rent, and a 1.4 DSCR. On paper, a dream. But he submitted mixed bank deposits, handwritten receipts, and an expired lease. The lender couldn't verify income, so the file stalled for 19 days. We replaced the entire package with the correct documents, loan approved in 48 hours. Same property. Same rent. Better documentation. Here's the twist: rental income isn't about being profitable. It's about being verifiable. Let's break down what lenders actually trust. Rule 1. The lease agreement is king. A clean, active, signed lease is the foundation. It must show current rent, term dates, tenant names, signatures. If your lease is missing even one of these, the lender gets nervous. Rule 2. Rent deposits prove the lease is real. Lenders don't just want a lease, they want to see it happening. Provide 3 months of rent deposits, or a full 12-month ledger for stronger files. Cash payments. Handwritten receipts? Lenders will ignore them. Rule 3. Use a 1007 market rent schedule when needed. If your tenant is underpaying, lenders use market rent. The 1007 appraisal form can save a borderline DSCR deal. I've seen investors jump from a 0.9 DSCR to 1.15 using a clean 1007. Rule 4. Avoid mixed or blurred deposits. Personal deposits mixed with rent. Venmo screenshots with emojis? Forget it. Keep rent separate, clean, and trackable. Rule 5. Match lease terms with insurance plus occupancy. If rent says leased, but insurance says vacant, underwriters see red flags. Your documents must agree with each other. Remember the investor whose file stalled for 19 days? Once the lease, rent deposits, and 1007 matched perfectly, the deal closed without a single follow-up condition. The lesson: clarity funds deals. Rental income documentation isn't busywork. It's the backbone of your loan approval. Get this right, and lenders will treat your file like an easy win. Subscribe for more science-backed insights on personality and decision-making.